Hi, my name is Ryan Garrett with Blue Ridge Farm. Today I kind of wanted to show you the difference between a soil block plant and a traditional plant as far as how the roots form. So when you have a soil block like this, what happens as the roots kind of reach for nutrients is they reach the outside of this area and they get air pruned, and then they start looking for other nutrients. And what's cool about that is you end up utilizing more of the soil as you are working through the soil block, and you end up with a healthier plant than in this system, which I'll show you in a second, where the roots tend to go straight down, hit the plastic, and start spinning around. And I'll show you what that looks like. So as you can see, it's just going round and round and round looking for the outside of the plant and pot, and you're not necessarily getting all of the nutrients out of it. What happens in a system like this, though, is that the plant can get very stunted because you don't have a healthy root system at that point.